How to make the McRib. You will need half a rack of pork ribs, salt, pepper, barbecue sauce, pickles, onion, and a bread roll. Step 1. Season the ribs with salt and pepper. Apply a generous amount of salt and pepper to the pork ribs. Step 2. Coat the ribs in barbecue sauce. Using a soft brush, evenly spread around the barbecue sauce. Ensure the pork ribs are thoroughly covered in the sauce. Step 3. Delicately remove all the bones from the half rack of ribs. To do this, all you need is a sturdy fork and a hammer. Step 4. Tenderize the ribs. No eggs are required for this recipe. No eggs are required for this recipe. No eggs are required. No eggs are required. No eggs are required. No eggs. 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 No eggs.
For this recipe, you need to use all the eggs you can find. Cover your foot in egg yolk. Massage your eggy foot. Scoop up the ribs. Place on your kitchen floor. Teach the ribs to swear. Scoop up the ribs. Cook ribs over medium heat. Remove from heat. Place pork ribs on.
Step 5. Assemble the McRib. Place down your sliced bread roll. Place down your ribs. Add barbecue sauce. Add more barbecue sauce. More sauce, 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 pickles, more pickles, more pickles, more pickles, more pickles, more pickles. Add onion. Locate the top half of the bread roll. Place down the top bun. Perfect. That looks so good. Serve and enjoy.